The most random collab since Billy Ray Cyrus and Lil Nas is finally here. The Reebok Adidas Instapump Fury BOOST. My goodness, that's a tongue twister. I'm not going to bore you with a long intro. We're just going to open this up real quick. This is huge, all right? We've got the old school Reebok logo, which technically now is their new logo on one side. We've got this beautiful rainbowy sort of design on that side, and we got our three stripes here. At the back, help keep the planet fit too. Let's see these bad boys. You will see it in all its large glory. I'm definitely gonna keep that guy on. That's a nice touch to it. My goodness, this is a massive boost sole. Adidas really went all out with this, huh? Probably you're gonna find people using this as an armband really soon. Can't wait to see how it feels. As always, we're gonna have an in-depth review of the sneaker through the link in the description below so you can read all about it. But for now, I'm just gonna shut up and we'll cue the music.